You could tell me the truth in a bed.
Hmm?
You could tell me the truth. You could have tell me the truth.
Okay.
Why you didn't tell me the truth? Me know something I believe in me now. You wicked.
No.
Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, my belly is going go, 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 go.
Today I did this time.
You did drawing?
Yes, in a book.
In a book?
Yes.
Very good.
I'm going to tell you in what book.
Okay.
I read that book with.
You guys, my stomach is going go, 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 go. So I had to get up out of bed. Though I wasn't sleeping, I have been awake for a while, and I had put Sarah in my bed, so she was beside me.
Tyler.
Yeah. So she's still in bed right now. She's still in my bed with babe, but she's sleeping. She's done for what would have been her first nap of the day. Because when she woke up this morning, she was in my bed. So anyway, enough of my rambling. I'm in the kitchen right now making breakfast. Stop shouting. Stop shouting, baby. Yeah, because it's your book. So what can I put smoking like that over here? I'm in the kitchen about to make breakfast. Like I said, I'm hungry, and I'm sure baby's hungry too, so I'm whipping up something real quick. So here goes, but I think I should have fried the plantain first. So I'm gonna fry some plantain, make some eggs with some avocado for breakfast this
Look at the
morning.
monster.
I need to buy some bacon at the supermarket.
Mama,
Yes, Dad.
look at the monster.
Can you come and tell Faith good morning? There's a monster, cookie monster in your book. They can't see you.
Good morning.
What have you in your mouth? You're eating chips.
Yeah.
Tyler is so excited to go back to school. You guys have no idea how this boy loves school. He woke up this morning and he come to my room and he said, Mama, 0 days left to go to school. He's so excited to go back to school tomorrow.
Mama,
Yes, Ty?
you know why they line up my toys, my toys?
Why?
Because I'm going to tell my teacher that if it's not raining tomorrow, it's raining tomorrow, no.
I don't think so.
Because not, I'm going to tell to my teacher, if it's not raining, the nice and the naughty can come to my house, but
No. You're not gonna tell your teacher that. Nobody gonna come to your house. Don't tell that to your teacher, okay?
okay.
He also come to my room this morning, knock on the door. So I tell him, come. He said, Mama, is my sister awake? I said, no, she's sleeping. Oh, I wanted to see her. But she's still sleeping. So when she wake up, you get to see her, okay?
Okay.
And I also need to drink some tea, so this gas can go good. My stomach is go good.
Mama?
Yes,
When
Ty.
you're going to eat the bacarat,
When?
yes?
A Sunday. One day soon. Okay?
Okay. Mama,
Yes, Ty.
I'm going to be talking with my
Hey, what if Sarah comes and say mama just as much as how Tyler say mama. I'm gonna go crazy? Tell me I'm not gonna go crazy. The way this boy say mama. But God knows the day he stops saying mama, I'll be sad. So let me take all the mamas I can get right now. Yo, this boy say mama more than any other word in his vocabulary, man. Mama, 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 mama. Non-stop. My God. I remember when he was a baby and I used to say to Dave that, oh my God, I can't wait for him to start talking. Say what now? No, make it start. Y'all have no idea how much Tyler can chat. Y'all don't have a clue. Okay, let me just tell you that. You have no idea how much my son talks. Clueless. There goes brunch, because it's in breakfast. That's brunch, y'all. Ready. Numbers. You guys, this is the beef that I put in the slow cooker last night. And it cooked until about roughly about 7 o'clock this morning, and this is the outcome. I wanted it really soft and it seemed to have accomplished that, so that's good. I haven't tasted it, the final product as yet, but I guess it's good for making tortillas and salad if I decide which of them I'm gonna use it for. So yeah. That's the outcome. I guess slow cooker didn't do a bad job at all. I want to taste it to see what it tastes like.
You want me to sacrifice myself and to test it for you?
You can say morning at least. If you're gonna sacrifice yourself, let it be the last time they hear from you.
Good morning.
They take too long to say something.
No, it's good.
It take too long. I don't believe you.
It's good.
I don't believe
And
you.
I was thinking about yesterday when I tasted it, and I think because you give me with some juice and all of these things, some sauce, I mean, it tastes different. It's good. Bonjour mon amoureuse. Voilà. Voilà.
Okay. Same anticipation I have is the same anticipation I think he have just now when he tasted it. It's a bit trashy. So I think all the juice went away and it makes it just a little bit dry. I don't think this type of thing is for the slow cooker because it's so dry. But anyways, there goes the outcome. Good salad or tortilla filling. So yeah, that's that. That can be a good lunch for the fam bam today. But if I do buy this beef again, I won't be slow cooking it. I'll be just cooking it cuit, as they call it in French. Not well done, but juicy. I think it's perfect for it. Just a few minutes. Because right now, it's dry. You could tell me the truth in a bed.
Hmm?
You tell me the truth. You gonna tell me the truth?
Okay.
Why you didn't tell me the truth? Me know something I believe in me now. You wicked.
No, I'm lovable. I just tell you, I appreciate all of the things.
Yeah,
that
no,
you-
yeah, it tastes good, but it dry.
Hello?
Liar, liar, pants and fire. You coulda tell me the truth. Me know once he anticipate, cause yesterday when I was cooking it, let me tell you something with babe. Him can't lie to save him life. Yesterday when I was cooking it, when it was juicy and nice, I gave him a piece. And he was like, right away. Just now I give him a piece, and him like, take too long.
I'm like in Top Chef. No, but sometimes when the man do that in Top Chef, like
No, this is
Is
not
to put-
Top Chef. This
is
is
to-
you. I
is
know
to
you
put-
all too
is to
well.
put pressure on the other person, like the other person think is not good, and
It's not that it's not good, but you can clearly see that something is missing.
and after he say, what else can I say? Excellence.
Lie. That your reaction just now wasn't that excellent reaction.
No, but
It's
that was
good,
a
but the
trick on my
juice
face.
is
That could have been a
gone.
trick on my face.
No, honey, I know you. That wasn't a trick on no face. That was just, honey, it's not the one you gave me yesterday to taste.
Oh. Oh.
So me no slow cooker for this beef because it dry out, suck out all the juice completely. Huh? Tell me the truth.
You are on fire. You are on fire.
You not say it, tell me the truth.
You are on fire.
You know enough to say it, you know, come here, go big. If you ever say it, I would be telling you to say it, you better dare not. Say it. You better not open your mouth and say no.
I gotta get up slowly and get ready to run in an hour in 45 minutes. I guys have things to do. Happy Sunday.
We're not going today.
We're not going anywhere. Bless you. Look at that mouth. Say morning to the faves. See the camera there? Look. Look up. Up there. Look, mama. Right here. Say morning. Morning. Morning, everybody. Morning, morning, faves. Zero, one. My little noise maker. We're going to sort of Tyler clothes right now. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Say hi to faves. Say hi, faves. Tell faves hello, you guys. I did a little self-care today. Wash my hair. Just finished washing my hair and get it all combed and stuff. Now I am in the kitchen. I accomplished a major task that we wanted to accomplish today, which was sorting out all of Tyler clothes and take out the unfit things and know what to get him when sale period comes for shopping. So we did that. Babe and I did that. He's in his room playing right now. Sarah is here, woke up from her nap and get some boobies, and now I need to jump in the kitchen because I am getting hungry. Am I hungry? Mama need to go cook. You coming to cook with me? That's not a good idea. No? You look tired. Well, it's not time though. So maybe I might hold off. I don't think I should hold off cooking. Whenever it's 5:30 is nap time for her. And it's 5 o'clock right now, so she gonna nap. sleep. And I'm in the kitchen right now, trying to figure out dinner. Trying to figure dinner out. I have in my head pretty much what I want the outcome to be, but let's see if it will work the way I want it. However, I'm making macaroni and cheese for Tyler because Tyler loves macaroni and cheese. I made it for him on I made it Christmas Day, and I didn't know that he would love it that much. So I'm making some more for him right now, and then I'm gonna use the beef that I slow cooked last night to make something delicious. I am going to fix the what is it again? The beef that I did in the slow cooker. I'm just gonna add some seasoning to it, some onions and sweet pepper just to make it crunchy. Like that. Dip a little salt in there so these not fresh. Then what I'm gonna do, add some of this to that, like that, and add some barbecue sauce to it, and a little bit of water, just to make it not dry. And we shall have, ooh, this looks so, it's fixed. Yes, this looks so good, you guys. Oh my god. And I'm not gonna even let it cook. I'm not cooking it, it's just I think I need to add some more, maybe all of it. Okay, I'm gonna put all of it in there. Dinner. This wrap is what we're gonna use for this and that. This is macaroni and cheese. That's wrap, macaroni and cheese. These are all the things for the wrap filling. And that's the meat that I fixed the beef from this morning. Make it a little bit moist, not so dry, and I made a little bit of green soup. So yeah, that's dinner. If I say macaroni and cheese, yes!
Yes! I love it!
Alright, it's coming right now.
I don't know if it tastes good, but I can tell you that it smells good.
Well,
First,
the mouth don't lie. The mouth don't lie.
The mouth don't lie.
The mouth don't lie.
Night?
They can't see you.
Because I'm
Tell them what you're excited about for tomorrow.
I'm excited to go to Battery Red.
Yes, that's why you hurry up and tell them.
Battery.
What you're excited for.
Of what to go to school.
And Sarah is gonna get a bath now.
And me, I'm excited to show them what I did.
To show who what you did.